Qualification and induction into representatives of leaders here in their society. And happy to see all of you gathered here together as one big family. And it's really a sacrifice and love that really entails to do this. The most important ingredient of leadership is character. The character that defines the person.
And I'm confident I'll be leaving you in a very good hands to our new leader, Dr. Wilma Enriquez. And I will continue making contributions towards the success of different projects of OMNS and PMA. Ganagapi po, mabuhay ang OMNS.
I give it special nourishment, mainly effort, and plenty of PLC, tender loving care. There's only one kind of flower that garden will be gloomy. I am this little flower who will be needing all the essential nourishment and support from each and every one of you. I hope to bloom, driven with focus and purpose. I am confident we will be at the head of a beautiful parade, be it at the PMA or our little humble community.
At napaka-dramatic ng kanyang sinasabi. May flower pa.
You came here on your own volition to serve and not to be served.